Hello guys, so again today I will show you how to connect your Sony A7R Mark IV to the DJI Ronin RS2. All you need guys is the cable which is included already in the box combo. In that combo, the USB-C and the multi-micro USB. Cable number 3. So again guys, let's start now to connect. Just first before you turn on, make sure your camera is already balanced. Next, okay, connect the micro USB from the multi and connect it to this area guys. Yeah, you have area here for USB-C. The RSS, it's written here RSS, so at the top, the first one from the top, guys. Okay, then unlock all this one. Make sure it's already balanced well. Okay guys, after you connect the cable from the camera with the USB and you already balance your stabilizer, then you need to set your camera. Just turn first the camera, go for the menu guys. To the network, at the last you have PC remote and the control with smartphone. Just you need to turn off the control smartphone, yeah. Then go back to the menu, PC remote function guys, and make sure that this is in on. The PC remote, you need to turn on the PC remote then, and that's it guys. And now you can turn on your turn on your DJI Ronin RS2, okay? Then turn on your camera. And now guys, you can use the function from the camera, which is you can record direct now from this button guys. You can record, off the record, and fully function for the camera. I think that's it for today guys, for our 90-second tutorial for today, how to connect the Sony A7R Mark IV to your DJI Ronin RS2. So again guys, that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay. So shout out to Palaboy sa ating director for today, Palaboy RW. Maraming salamat.